it's not just corporations and divorce cases where there's hidden assets. Here's a case where there was a $4+ million judgment against a subject, and the person is allegedly hiding assets. Supposedly, this defendant is saying that they only have an old beat up Toyota truck and a couple old kayaks, but they already found at least 90,000 in now frozen accounts at Bank of America and TD Ameritrade. And they're also looking into whether or not there's other fraudulent conveyances from this person, allegedly. So this is a really good example. TD Ameritrade is a trading account. A lot of times defendants will try to hide money in brokerage accounts or stock accounts. And that's a very common place that hidden accounts are found. The attorney for the plaintiffs are also saying that they have land, even in other countries, and even in Martin County in Florida, and additional brokerage accounts with hundreds of thousands. So here's a good example of an attorney for the plaintiff, for the creditor, doing some very positive due diligence to find out where these assets are. They're not letting this person off the hook. So if a creditor is smart, they're going to look for assets. They're not going to just take their word for it that I have an old Toyota and 2 kayaks. Because if you take their word for it, you're not going to get your money. She told the court that she didn't work since 2012 and she really doesn't have any money. But these claimants, these plaintiffs, are finding other property. They're finding land that was being used as a mine, and they're finding other types of email exchanges that were hidden that might show other assets. So this is a good example of where if you're a plaintiff in a case and you have money owed to you, don't just let the defendant tell you that they have just an old car and a couple beat up old kayaks. Make sure you find out where there's bank accounts. Is there money hidden? Because you could freeze these accounts. Obviously, in this case, they were able to get the court to freeze the account so the money didn't disappear before they could be compensated as creditors and as plaintiffs in the lawsuit judgment.